good afternoon to one and all gathered on this virtual meet. I, Dr. Rukhsana Hassan, practicing psychologist in Mangalore and a nominated founder chairperson of the organization called the Ultimate Mentor. It gives me immense pleasure to chair this auspicious occasion of honoring all the interns who have joined here. I welcome all the interns on this occasion. It gives me immense pleasure to chair this auspicious occasion, honoring the interns for their completion of internship with this upcoming organization known as TUM, the Ultimate Mentors. We wish all the 20 interns the very best of luck in every endure of their life. It was indeed a great time when all of you were with us. It was a new experience for the organization and also for the interns, as it was an experience of learning and teaching. Thank you so much for being with us. This was our first batch of, and the best thing is, this is a new organization, and this was the first batch which was doing internship with us virtually. Previous to this, we had one offline program with an university known as Indus University in Una, Himachal Pradesh. We were nearly about 15 people, 15 mentors, personally visited and addressed about 350 plus students, where most of 100 of them were NCC cadets. So this virtual thing is the first kind of experience, even for all the members of TUM. Today, we all have gathered here to felicitate you virtually. And in the near future, we are going to come personally and honor you all. I would like to say a few words about a journey towards a student to an employee. It was playful to workful. Now, with all the knowledge what you have, you will be putting this into an experience as an employee. With many short and long stops, your journey begins now. Never stop and see back and see what others are doing or telling. Just keep your journey on and on and on. Many will board and many will alight, but you will be the same. You have started your journey as an individual. You as an individual will be building a home, a lane, a community, a society, a district, a state, a country. Overall, you as an individual, you build yourself. With this, on this occasion, I would not take much time of all the other people gathered here, but would like to say only a few lines about rest if you must, but don't quit. All your life you have to do is just think of today. Just for today, I live in this. On behalf of the entire group of the Ultimate Mentors, I, Dr. Rukhsana Hassan, the chairperson of TUM, wish you all the best in all the endeavors of your life. And at any time you have any hurdles or a stop, please don't forget that you are with the team of TUM. Wish you all the best. Welcome, all of you. Thank you. I would request Anita Mahapatra to kindly welcome the chief guest of honor, keynote speaker, and all the other dignitaries, and the special invitees, our interns from Indian Institute of Management, Rohtak. Over to you, Anita.
Thank you so much, Dr. Rukhsana. I, Anita Mahapatra, General Secretary of the Ultimate Mentors, it's a trust. I welcome you all. It's a glorious moment to extend my warm wishes on behalf of the Ultimate Mentors. My heartfelt gratitude to the chief guest, Sri N.V. Paulos, Chairman of Global TV, guest of honor, Sri Sumit Tyagi, our Chairman, Dr. Rukhsana Hassan, Major Nupur Gupta, our Secretary, Sri Ramanendra, and founder of the Ultimate Mentors, Mr. Bhaskar Shukla, and all the esteemed members of the Ultimate Mentors and our privileged guest. It's an opportune moment to have our esteemed interns who are all from IIT Rohtak. My heartiest welcome to you all on today's events. Now I welcome I request Sri NV Paulos, our chief guest, to say a few words and encourage interns on this auspicious occasion.
Good afternoon, everyone. It is said either you come prepared or be prepared. So I selected the second. I thought I will go unprepared and talk whatever comes in my mind. So that is seeing the youngsters, the dynamism. And when I see the dynamism of Dr. Ruxana, I see she is more younger than the youngsters. And that is something amazing. And working with her, I feel we become younger as we are on track in the work, aggressive. So to the youngsters, there is nothing to tell. They are the leaders today. And what they do is the model for tomorrow. What the elder generation do is all outdated models, all the softwares, and the youngsters are coming with the upgraded, updated softwares. And they can build things in such a great way. And the only thing is, are they building it on some foundation or are they building it on the sky? So I earnestly request the youngsters to build whatever they build, let it be on strong foundations. And that way, the experienced elders will be able to contribute. When I see the face of Major Gupta, as Dr. Ruxana told, I get straight away motivated. That is because of the contributions in the past, which is adding value to the person. And that will be reflecting in the face of the person. All in my experience, if I say, simple things are beautiful and simple things make everything better. So I will just tell a small little bit story where I try to communicate a message. There was a husband and wife and a 6-year-old child. And that was the birthday of the child. Wife asked the husband to bring a gift. And this guy is always busy, no time for family, all the time in the office. And somehow he brought a gift when he came in the evening. He was late, but he brought the gift and it was an open gift. Seeing the gift, the lady got angry. The gift was a world map puzzle. World map itself is a puzzle, and that in addition to that, that was a puzzle that he brought. And seeing that, she got so annoyed. The small child, she asked to bring some toy for child to play. This man, as usual, his all selections are wrong. Same thing happened now also. He brought a wrong choice. So she got angry. But the child was coming from the other side, seeing the gift so happy and running. But before the child reached here, the lady, the moment she got the gift in her hand, she thrown it at the floor and it got shattered, everything is gone all around. And the child came and started to cry, but started to kneel down and pick all those things. But the lady picked the quarrel with the husband. It went on, they went on fighting with each other. They could not see what the child is doing. The crying child came back in few minutes, refixing the puzzle to the lady's surprise. The puzzle which was totally thrown away, the child brought it back, all set, well set, to the surprise of the lady. And then she suddenly changed her view. She started praising the husband. You knew our child is such an intelligent person. That is why you have selected this gift. And I am wrong. I am sorry. All those things happened. But the child brought the gift back to mother, showing the other side. And that side was a smiling face. That side was a picture of a smiling child. And the child was coming, seeing that smiling face. And for the child to reset the smiling face was such an easy job. And when that is done, the other side was automatically set. This is what I can tell the youngsters in my experience. Suppose we can set the faces smiling, every other thing will be set proper. So in our life, as we go, experience come from only from experience. I asked somebody, what about the memories? The experience are somewhat, it is memories. I asked the positive experience, the positive memories are, suppose that are diamonds. What about the negative memories? I asked them. And one guy told me that is all charcoal. Then I asked, I explained, I tried to make that person to aware what is the real thing behind that negative memory. And within next 5 minutes, after a small NLP session, that person told, no, that is not diamond, that is not charcoal, that are pearls, the greatest positive energy. The negative experience which I have overcome is something so wonderful treasure for me. This is the learning which we all should have. In all experience, what we have, whether it is positive, negative, or whatever it is, when we properly understand the purpose behind that, then it turns to be great treasure for us. And the memories, the experiences are our foundation, and the experienced mentors are our foundation. On that foundation, we can build whatever empire we want. I wish you all the success. Thank you very much.
Thank you so much. And with all the smiles, we can see the smiles on your face. And I'm so sure that, all the students have taken every word and the example as a story what you have given. Thank you so much for all your time and effort, sir. I request Major Nupur ma'am to give away the keynote address.
Thank you, Dr. Rukhsana. It's really kind of you. Good afternoon, ladies and gentlemen, and my dear students. It's actually a pleasure for me to be here. And I'm also pleased to give you a keynote address for this certificate awarding ceremony for the students of IIM Rohtak. I take the privilege of being a part of the same alumni network. I'm a part of IIM Lucknow, and I feel all the more privileged to be here with all of you together. First of all, let me thank the ultimate mentors who had given you this opportunity I'm sure all of you were first year students. So it's a big opportunity to do the internship at the beginning itself because we all of us were on a virtual platform. And also conducting such a ceremony, I have been a part of B schools and the institutions. Generally, certificates are given, they are sent across, but there is hardly a ceremony to commemorate the event in itself. So I would like to thank the TUM, the ultimate mentors, to have actually thought of the event and organized. Yes, there were some hiccups in between for the timing and coordination, knowing that all of you are going for your internship process through the institute. But I must thank the ultimate mentors for taking that initiative of organizing this certificate award ceremony for you. We all know knowledge is the pillar of the attainment of vision. Education has been a continuous essential part of our fabric. For any institution, for any individual, and also any nation. The wisdom, whether for a current generation or for the past generation or for the future leaders to come. I'm impressed, I should say I'm thoroughly impressed with the kind of the teamwork that all of you have shown together. To the extent that there were days and times that your mentor were looking for support and you people volunteered to help each other. If some know, I'm just taking an example, if Ria knew something about it, she would volunteer and come out and say, I would do this thing, because that is what is the demand of the time. And I am in the admiration for all the interns who took that initiative, who kept the teamwork alive, kept the patience. On one side, all of you took time to understand as to what is the expectation of the ultimate mentors. So the kind of effort you require to learn from each other and meet the expectation of the mentors was awesome. I'm sure each one of you have learned a lot in this internship, and this experience will help you in your future endeavors. I'm also thankful to all the mentors. We all come from different arenas, different expertise, and they provided that continued support to each of the students who have worked endlessly for this internship. When we started with this idea, in fact, this Dr. Ruxana has mentioned, this was for the first time that we had students from IIM Rohtak doing the internship with us. It was more of a mutual learning because we were looking
Yes.
for a digital marketing attempt, and the students were young, energetic. On the other side, we had the mentors who were experienced. And our relation was more like a parent and a child. Parents may not be always right, but they have their own belief. And what they do, they genuinely believe that they are doing the best for the children. Similar was an attempt for all the mentors. The parents and the mentors are the one who would stand by you. Their ultimate aim is that they should be able to help you, guide you in your future. And we all have those ups and downs, but it is recommended that the association does not end here. We all look forward to your association with us. In case you have any issue, the best idea would be to reach to your parents or to reach out to us. We will try and provide you with whatever best solution in the given time we can. We look forward to a continued collaboration, and I also hope that our students take the rightful place for whatever you are gearing for in your life in the global community. I would also like to congratulate all the students who have successfully completed their internship. I wish you all a best of luck and the journey in your future endeavors that will also be aimed to contributing towards the advancement of your knowledge, society, and the country as a whole. With this, I thank you and hand over to Dr. Ruxana for the further conduct of the event. Thank you, sir. Thank you, students.
Thank you, ma'am, for the beautiful. You have very beautifully correlated, the parent and the child and the parents' relationship with this mentors and the TUM organization. Very well said. Thank you so much.
Thank you, ma'am.
And I would especially personally thank Nupur ma'am. I think she had a prayer function. She postponed that and she made the time for the interns. On behalf of all the interns, I thank you so much, ma'am, for all your time. Your the most valuable words what you have given to all our interns. Thank you so much. Now I request the lawmaker.
Dr. Ruxana, you're mute. Yeah.
Yes. Advocate Sunit Taggi, who is the chief guest of honor on this auspicious occasion, to say a few words to our interns.
Thank you, Dr. Ruxana.
Yes.
Already spoken much about the kind of efforts being made by these interns. I would simply remind, because I am highly influenced by Mr. Swami Vivekananda, if I can say, because each of his words have always inspired the students and the entire world. So first of all, these management trainees, what they have done so far, as I know that management is an art and science of using resources. And I think the best utilization and usage they have shown in given assignment and task. So congratulations to all these interns. Secondly, I would want to say that how and what kind of thoughts like you will be taking from this ultimate mentors group, which has given you an opportunity to learn practically something from here. So it reminded me of Vivekananda's few lines, like, we are what our thoughts have made us. So take care about what you think. Words are secondary, thoughts live and they travel far. So you have gathered from here positive inspiration and how to do a best utilization of your resources. So next, I would want to say that talk to yourself once in a day. Otherwise, you may miss meeting an intelligent person in this world. I'm talking about yourself. And lastly, I would say, arise, awake, and stop not until the goal is reached. All these are taken from, or the inspiration from Swami Vivekananda. At the end, I would like to say, it's not that you people have learned from ultimate mentors. I must say the kind of zeal, Josh you have shown to all the members, senior members of ultimate mentors. We have learned a lot from you. I have seen the messages at 11 o'clock, 12 o'clock, the kind of preparation, each message, the kind of efforts you are making, each assigned task you are showing your best attempt and efforts, and that's what call a successful completion of internship. So I congratulate all of you for successfully completing your course. And as Major Nupur has said, that each and every member, senior members, and all members of Ultimate Mentors are always there for you to guide you. Being an advocate, I don't know how much relevance could be there in the field of management, but yes, I must say that this is not only a specific field. People are connected to the Ultimate Mentors. Today's management trainee, the 20-25 people who all have completed the course, are going to be the ultimate mentors in their lives. And with these words, thank you very much to all of you, and congratulations all interns.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much. Thank you so much for your most valuable words. And I'm so sure many of the interns will need your help legally. I think everybody in this world needs legal help. So you will be an help for each and every one of us. Thank you once again. Now I request our chief guest, Bhaskar, are you there? Can I hear you? If you're not able to. Bhaskar? Bhaskar Shukla, are you there? Ramendra sir? I think Ramendra sir has signed out.
No. I'm here.
Okay. Ramendra sir, Bhaskar is there?
Bhaskar, I was just trying to look. He said he has joined.
He has joined, but I'm not able to hear him.
Let me check. I don't think, but he said he has joined, but now I don't.
He has joined. I can see him. He has joined.
But now I in the name the name list I don't see him. No.
Okay. Now, with the due permission of the chief guest, I would request one of the interns to say a few words about their experience with the Ultimate Mentors.
Good afternoon, ma'am. First of all, on the behalf of all the interns from IIM Rohtak, we would like to thank you for creating this event. It was a great learning experience. Past 2 months, we were working with TUM, and as the social media interns, we learn about nuances of various social media platforms like LinkedIn, Facebook, then Instagram, and other stuffs. And along with honing our marketing skills, I think it also sharpen our creativity, then content making, as well as how to become a good team player. So all these things were covered under, and it was a holistic experience for us. And thanks a lot.
Any other interns want to say a few words? Any girl? You have to be spontaneous.
Well, adding to my friend's words, I think it was the same experience, ma'am. It was a new experience. We started working with teams, and then as told, a couple of things were spontaneous, or a couple of tasks. So I think overall it was a great experience working with them, and we would really cherish this. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vita. God bless you. Thank you. Archana ma'am, are you there? Archana?
Archana is there?
Yes.
Archana, ma'am.
Unmute.
Yeah, ma'am,
Yeah.
I'm there.
Archana, please say a few words as an educationist to our intern.
Yeah, ma'am. Yeah, respected esteemed members of today's evening and my dear interns. It's a proud privilege to be on this platform with all these biggies and wishing you all a very good luck and regarding your journey with us and each and every mentor. It was a wonderful experience, and as I had previously also quoted, being with all privileged people and people having expertise in various fields, it itself exposes us to various uh, facts, learning process in our life, which is rarely gathered uh, especially when we are taking say experience from institutions where we are fully occupied. But then with the limited time what is available to us, it was really crucial, and as many of you all had felt that it was really taking mm, uh, like crunchy time, taking on nerves. You all were able to handle it very critically, and yet I would emphasize that the entire life is like that unless we don't cope up. And as Ratan Tata had quoted, blessed are those people who work under pressure. So pressure is another coin of pleasure which leads to success. The pleasure is worthwhile. Not everyone is blessed to cherish those moments. So my dear interns, I only tell you, and as Dr. Ruxana ma'am also had said, that we all are here because we are really blessed, and cherish each and every moment. If you are tired, rest, but never give up. Okay. So what I said is learn to cope up the pressure, give your best to whatsoever time you can take up, and always remember that opportunity comes only when we are in deep pressure. So not everyone, it just knocks the door and leaves away. So it's up to you how to grab the opportunity, when to grab the opportunity. Keep yourself open to things, whatever comes to your life. And as Dr. Polas had quoted, that when you care for others, the best things of life happens to you. That's all. It was wonderful hearing from each one of you all, and good luck and God bless. Thank you, ma'am.
Thank you, Archana. Thank you for all the wonderful words and coping up, summing up the entire session, whatever each one of us has spoken. Thank you so much. Your one word I have learned is pressure is the other word for pleasure. I will just take all my pleasures into the pleasure. Thank you so much. I think Sumit sir has 1, 2 or 3 minutes video for all of us on some launch. Sumit sir, are you ready?
Yeah, madam.
Yes.
So besides this legal profession, I'm into little bit creativity, things like writing lyrics. So
Wow.
there is no, you can't just limit your all your resources to one field or one thing. You can utilize in a creative manner as well. So I will not play any song or so. May I be allowed to share the screen? Yes, I'm
Done
allowed.
already, done already.
Thank you, thank you. So here is a song on a festival called in northern side, maybe in all over India or world. It is called Karwa Chauth. And with the team of some of the people like I'm connected from the music and film industry, we have made this song. I'll show. I wanted to come to this platform because I feel like the Ultimate Mentors platform is the best one. And the interns who have come up here, they have done wonderful job, and that was experience we all had it. So here is the poster, and I'll just play the song. One sec. Is it visible to all or
No?
not?
We can hear something.
We can hear.
It's coming. It's coming. Yeah,
Yes,
it
sir.
has come.
So
Suhagan.
So this is what in northern India, festival of Karwa Chauth is being played, and this is a little glimpse of the song which is gonna be launched yet. By 6 o'clock, it will be launched. Is it audible to all?
Yes, yes.
लंबी उम्र की दुआ बना रहे सदा सुहाग मेरा करवा चौथ का व्रत रखा दिख जाए अब चांद मेरा करती हूँ विनती ओ मेरे भगवन सारी उम्र रहूं मैं बनके सुहागन।
So this was I wanted to show to this our
Very good.
ultimate mentors from my end. I have written the lyrics of this song.
Wow.
Oh,
That's why I thought
Great, great.
Wonderful. Thank you,
Well,
Sunita. You
congratulations.
have
Fantastic.
made most of us, you know, like whatever time we have given, you have.
so those who are
Yes,
having
thank you.
fast, they can see watch this song on the channel called Muji Ocean, which is also being launched today. And this song is gonna come up, I think, Saregama or a good singer from Pratiksha Srivastav has sung this song, and
Okay.
one TV actor, Siddharth Dhanda, who is playing main role in this. So you all can enjoy and watch this song, and all interns, they can also, because they have done the wonderful job promoting other stuff and all, so they may also promote this song. Thank you very much.
Thank you,
Good,
Sunita.
good,
Thank
good.
you
Thank you.
so much for sharing this wonderful thing, you know, wonderful
fact-
music was so melodious. Thank you so much.
In fact,
Thank
ma'am,
you
today on this occasion, most of the ladies should have attended who are doing Karwa Chauth.
Yeah, yes. Anyway, we can share it. We can share it. Definitely, we can
Yes,
share it.
yes.
Now is the time for all the interns to receive the completion certificate from our beloved chief guest, N.V. Paul sir. Please give away their certificate.
Shall I share it one by one?
Yes,
And
yes,
as
sir.
I
You
share
can share.
it, as I share it, will you speak something about them or call their name as you see in the screen? It will be easy for
Then
me
just-
to.
Yes,
Or
sir.
else-
I think Ramender sir, you have to read the name.
I'm there. Okay.
Yes,
Okay.
sir.
And I would like to hear from the intern also. I mean, if the person is there,
Yes.
just say that, yeah, he's here, he or she.
And also somebody who is logged on the laptop, please take a screenshot of all the interns and
Yeah, the first one which has come on the screen is Ashita Karan. Ashita, you there? Just say yes. No, she's not there.
I think
Okay.
Actually, she's there, sir, but then I think there's a problem with her network issues. She
Acha,
just
acha,
texted
okay.
in group.
Shall I
Okay,
move to the
okay,
next?
okay,
Okay,
okay.
congratulations.
So
Ashita.
congratulations. Congratulations, Ashita. Yes.
Next, sir.
The second, sir.
Yeah, done.
Next.
Is there
Okay,
on the
Chandra
screen?
Landa.
Yes.
Yes, yes. Chandra, are you there?
Yes, sir.
Great, great. Congratulations to you.
Thank you so much.
Yeah, yeah. Sir, let's move on.
Yes. Yes.
This
it's on the
is
screen.
Diksha Sahu. This is Diksha Sahu. Yes, Diksha. So congratulations to you. So move on. This is Govind Sivan. Govind, congratulations to you, Govind Sivan.
Yes, sir. Thanks.
You're welcome. Sir, please.
Yes.
Yeah, yeah.
On the screen.
Sir, next not coming.
Yeah,
It's
it's
not
on the
changing.
screen. Next is on the screen.
Sir, the screen has not changed.
The screen
Yeah,
has
it's
not
changed.
Govind
Aha.
only.
Hardik
Sorry.
Chotalia.
Yes, sir.
Hardik.
Yes.
Hey, that's okay. It has changed, sir. Congratulations, Hardik.
Thank you, sir.
Yeah. Follow, sir. Let's move on.
Yeah, now
Yeah, Nehal Singh. Congratulations, Nehal.
Thank you, sir.
welcome. Yes, sir.
Yeah.
Yes,
Next is
this
on.
is Nitin. Nitin Kharyat. I'm sorry if I'm not able to pronounce your surname, Nitin Kharyat. Nitin, are you there?
Sir,
Congratulations to you.
Nitin is not there. Actually, he is in Uttarakhand and there some floods are
Yeah,
going.
how do you pronounce his surname?
Sir, Nitin Kharayat.
Kharayat. Okay.
Kharayat,
Okay.
uh-huh.
I'm sorry. Yeah. Yes. Yes, sir. Move on.
Yes.
After Nitin,
Now it is
this is
Ria.
Ria Jain. Ria Jain. Ria, congratulations to you.
Yes, sir.
Great. Great. Yes, sir. Move on.
Moved
This
already.
is Ronak Lohia. Ronak, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Are you there? You're welcome.
Yes, sir. Thank you.
Yes. Yes. Yes, sir.
Give me a minute. Yes.
So it has not changed.
Changed. Not changed.
This, yeah, it has come. Yeah. Sai Shushmita. Congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Yes.
Changed.
Yes,
Yes,
sir. Yes. Sana Imroz Anjum. Are you there? And congratulations to you. Shivangi Gautam. Shivangi,
Yes, sir.
congratulations. Hope you're there.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome. Sir.
Yes. Changed.
No, it has not.
Shivangi. Next. Sir.
After
Yes, Shreya.
Now.
Shreya Chaurasia. Yeah, it has come. Yes, sir. And Shreya, congratulations. This is Tiasa Biswas. Congratulations to you.
Next.
Yes, so we can move on.
I moved. Jesse, next. I changed.
Yes, this is Vishaka Verma. Congratulations, Vishaka. Good one
Thank you
done.
so much, sir.
Yeah.
We missed one or two in between. I'll just replay it once again.
Okay.
I'll keep to go if one of you can locate. I missed the 2, 3 in between. I think just see with.
You flash it, I'll tell.
Sir. Now I changed one.
This
Are you
is
seeing it?
Nehal Singh. Nehal Singh. Nehal Singh,
Yes,
you have already
Nehal is not
displayed
here.
before.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Congratulations, I think. Yes, sir.
Nitin also was not said. Nitin can.
This was not. Manjari Khandelwal. Congratulations.
Yes, sir. Thank you, sir.
Great, you are there. Thank you very much. Yes, sir. Move on.
Yes, sir. I changed. Yes, sir.
It's not come.
Yes,
Yeah.
Yes,
Kunal.
sir. Thank you, sir.
Yes, Kunal. Congratulations.
Thank you so much, sir.
You're welcome.
Change it again.
Yes, sir. Next.
I changed already. I think with it, it's over. I changed it just now.
Oh, that is the end. I think Nitin, can you ask?
This is Krit Jain.
Yes, sir.
Krit, congratulations to you.
Thank you, sir.
You're welcome.
One more.
That's it,
Let me see, sir. One more I have changed it just now.
Isha, yeah. Yeah.
This is Isha Ghonmure.
I think with that it's.
Isha, congratulations if you're there.
Now there is Himanshu Goyal.
This is Himanshu Goyal. Himanshu, congratulations.
Thank you, sir.
Great.
I think with that it is over. I think all the 20 now.
Anybody whom we have missed? Request our secretary, sir, Mr. Ramendra, sir, to say the vote of thanks.
Yes.
Before that, congratulations.
Yes, yes.
Congratulations to each and everyone. Over to you, sir.
Yeah, yes, we are now almost right on the end of this program, and if I'm not audible, let me know because I'm standing in the airport, so there could be some. Okay.
Thank you for all the effort, sir. I should first thank you. He is actually flying somewhere, but he has taken all the effort to say a vote of thanks from the airport. I really appreciate that. Is why we are known as the ultimate mentors. Yes, sir. Go ahead.
So anyway, I'm midst of a lawyer, psychologist, mathematician, and a motivational speaker. I mean, I don't know from where to start and how to end. So it's a difficult task at the end of this small, nice, well-managed ceremony. But having said that, let me first of all give a big thank to the chairperson Rukhsana ma'am and so Sumit sir, because the way things have been handled. I know Rukhsana ma'am has done end-to-end sort of work, and I was just literally following her and because there were so many hiccups which came, which even pointed out by Major Nupur, that so many hiccups came, but we are known, we are ultimate mentors, so we have to manage things and come at one platform. So that was we have done. So let me just I will not go chronological wise, but let me pick up some things which I could hear from from the talk that has happened, which was really motivational, not only for the students, for us as well. Let me talk about Paulo sir. I think the way he spoke and the way he used his puzzle format to speak and talk to the students directly, indirectly, saying that smiling face, be happy, so everything will be come in order. So this is what this generation is lacking. Not generation, in fact, all of us are lacking in this period of time, just because we are stressed and sometimes we don't manage those stress, because there's nothing called stress. We need to manage that. So Paulo sir has very rightly pointed out that keep smiling, keep your heart light, and then work. And Nupur ma'am has also pointed out, stating that stress is the way of life, and we need to manage. So thank you to both of them. Sunil sir has pointed out something great, which I have, that poster in my room, and I keep, telling my children to follow this. From Vivekanand, arise, awake, and do not stop till you reach the goal, which is of course a very, very. I have that poster in my room today also. So that was highly motivating thing for all the students per se. In fact, goes for everyone, but students right now, since they are in the beginning of their career, so these things would help them to take up things seriously at the same time, with the target goal in mind. So thank you very much, Sunit sir. Anita ma'am, also the way she bridged the things, I think, and the way she has supported throughout. In fact, all of us, have supported each other. But yeah, I would be very thankful to Anita ma'am for this, and of course can't miss the mathematician Archana ma'am, the way she tried and knit the things, and with the students, and the way they have to take it up, because she's a teacher, so she can well understand the psychology of students, and well said. So with this, I think, thank you so much for all these our the ultimate mentors, along with Paulo sir. I think this, as Rukhsana ma'am rightly said, that this is the first time that we are doing it, and I really like that Major Nupur said that despite she has also done this kind of thing, but never had this kind of opportunity to wish the students all the best, and then distributing the certificates at the same time. And in my life also, I'm also a management student, but I also had never got this kind of opportunity, that all the seniors have come and speaking and giving all motivational talk to motivate people, motivate all the students. Nonetheless, students, the interns, all of you, the 20 of you, I think my knowledge is very, very less in this digital world. And my daughter tries to help me out, but of course, दिमाग कम है तो जरा कम ही बात समझ में आती है. But but in terms, I would say this is the requirement of the hour, and what you all have done. I think it's a wonderful work that you all have done, despite the paucity of time that you all had. Like you all said that 1.5 hours से ज़्यादा आप दे नहीं पाओगे, and I think you have done a wonderful work. In fact, a bit of learning that I've got from whatever WhatsApp message that used to come to us. So it was a good learning, and I would not mind saying that you all also have got a lot of things from here. The management part, apart from the technical part, the management part also, you would have seen the way the way that the way we have. Can you all mute please? I think somebody. So with this, so in terms, I would say that learning must have come from our side also. I don't know how much, but I'm sure that this platform has helped you and will also help you in your career. And thank you so much for the work that you have done for us, the kind of positivity, the kind of what do you call the advertisement, or the kind of social putting us through social media is concerned. I think we have definitely gone little ahead with which we were not before. So thank you very much for this. Of course, Bhaskar being the owner of this. So thank you, Bhaskar, for this. And so with this, thank you everyone. If I missed anybody, I'm very sorry because it's a small it's a small meeting. I shouldn't have missed anybody. And so great, guys. I mean, I intern all of you. I would say very, very good luck for you. And this platform, you must have seen so many people speaking, and all these guys are your ultimate mentors. So you would have got something or the other from each one talking to you. So this is the basic funda on which this TUM is standing today. And guys, once again, all the best to you. Keep doing well, and whatever help that you need later on, also you can connect with one-on-one on whichever way that you feel like. So thank you very much to all of you. Thank you, Rukhsana ma'am.
Thank you, sir. Thank you so much for your vote of thanks. Now I would like to give a package to all the interns. You have a lawyer, you have a psychologist, you have an NLP therapist, you have a motivational speaker, you have trainers, you have so many of you to start off. With this, I would like to congratulate each one of you and wish you all the best in all the endeavors of your life. I request Paul sir to have a group picture and request all the interns to on your cameras for 1 minute. This will be the best memory for all of us.
And please be there for a few seconds. In the meanwhile, I will capture the screen.
2 to 3 seconds. Yeah, so that on the laptop, everybody comes.
Yes. Yeah.
Thank you.
I request all of you. Yes, can we go ahead? Amit, yes, very good.
Yes,
yes.
Shivangi, Shreya.
If you can for 1 minute, please on.
Thank you.
Yes.
Wait for a while.
Yes. 1, 2, 3, sir. Can we all have a victory sign? All of us? A victory sign?
I'll also request Shreya, Nitin, Diksha, Ranjita, Lieutenant Bhaskar, Ashita, Manjari to please switch on their video for a second, please.
Yes.
Shreya,
and all of us, yes, give one victory sign. Avi? Anita? Ma'am, Nipur ma'am? Yes. Very good. Thank you, one and all our best wishes and bundles of joy to your journey from knowledge to experience.